Hello, Mario! In this video I'm going to show you how I came up with the areas for all of the lots on my layout. So let's go and have a look at my layout. Here it is here. Oops, I've still got that existing road turned on there, and I need to go to all the thing there. So that's just a matter of turning on that. This is not the correct. This is my current working drawing here, and I've got the existing road missing there. Now what I did was I created an area, I created a layer called lot areas, and that's where it's sort of a calculation layer. So I show it as magenta, so it shows up nice and well above other things. And what I've done is, you can see I've gone through and put all the lot areas in, and I've started to put things in. Ultimately I'll change these lot areas into a white and align them with the lot numbers and the shape factor circles there, so that we have a nice plan for production. But this is all about determining the area. So now here's one that I've already determined. So I'm just going to, as you can see there, that highlights the polyline, that polyline there, which I'm just going to delete. You'll see that there's other polylines. I'm also going to just move that over to one side for a moment there, like that. Okay, now a little while ago, the way that I was determining the area, and I may have shown you this earlier, is use the boundary, boundary command, like so, which asks me to pick a point in the middle of the lot that I want, and that's it there, and then I push enter, and it draws a polyline, in this case a magenta polyline, like so. And then you can see over here in the properties the area. So I can, right, that's 600 meters squared, and then I would have to use the text tool to put it in, put the 600, to type the 600 meters squared in there. Now that's quite laborious. There are sort of upwards of 40 lots on here, so we would have to do that exercise 40 times. So I got to thinking, well, actually I was prompted to think by one of my students who said, hey, is there an easier way of doing these areas? I've got 120 lots here and I don't want to be doing this 120 times. And I said, oh, well, not that I know of. Yeah, then you just got to guts it out. Sorry, mate. But I did do some thinking about that and got on to a little bit of Googling and stuff such as that. And yeah, I did actually come up with something, as it turns out. So I'll just, if I went to my go-to sort of Google, and I have done this previously, so here's my, and I found this marvelous website by this guy called Lee Mack Programming. I think this is it here, rather than the stand-up comedian. And here it is here, marvelous little site for Autocad Lisp programs. And here's the programs that he's got. And these programs here are all downloadable. And there's one here, this area layer, or I think it's area to field, which I downloaded, and it's a little Lisp program that I'll show you, and I've used quite well. But also with it, there's another little program that you need, and it's mentioned in the instructions that come with it, or there, that you need to set up the way things go. I just can't remember the name of it. I'll probably have a look at it in a minute. But yeah, that's that little program. So I downloaded that program to my desktop, and yeah, it's pretty awesome sort of program. I'm just going to see if I can have a bit of a look, see if I can find it here, and have a bit of a look at it. So it's just in my working folder in engineering surveying today folder, perhaps not. I'm just take a little bit of a little bit of finding that subdivision design, and it's a little Lisp program, and here it is here, areas to field, and I'll just have a look, and there it is. It's got all its instructions there as to how to use it by this marvellous Lee Mack guy, and he talks about you know, how it all works, and there's a little program that you can use on his website that enables you to format. The field will display the sum of the areas selected using the field formatting code specified at the top of the program. This formatting code may be altered to suit the user's requirements, and he's got a little program that does that, and another one of his little Lisp files or programs that you follow through, and it gives you a little format that you can put in. And I've done that to achieve what I want here. So you need to just read up on the site to find that. I'm not going to show you how to do that. So that brings me to back to my Autocad here. This one here, subdivision design. And how do I get the areas in? So the first thing I've got to do is load the little Lisp, the little program, which you use a little thing called app load, app load. There it is, AP, in there like that, and that gives you there. And then you, what you need to do is navigate to the app, and then put it in there like that, and just load it into your, and it loads like an add-on into your AutoCAD program. So then you can just call it up. In this case, you've got to type in A to F, and there it is, and that's it there, and it says select objects. Now I'm just going to select this lot here, and that's the polyline there with the area, and select the objects, and then just go enter. Now if you select one lot, it'll give you the area of the one lot. If you select more than one lot, it'll give you the total area of all of the lots. And then I'm just going to go enter, and then you can see down here pick point or cell for the field, and you just pop it in there like that and go enter. And in this case here, there's the 600 meters squared. Now for some reason it's very small. If I just I've done all these, so that you maybe have to sort this out. There I've got a perhaps I've got, yes, I can see now what the problem is there. I've got the wrong scale down here in my modelling. I've got 10:1 scale, or perhaps that's the one I had. I'll just have a look at these ones, or the 1:1 scale, paper text height 2 meters high. This one here 2 millimeters high. What we got there, paper text height 2:1, and we should have the 1:1 scale. So I'll just add 1:1. Okay, and okay. I'm hoping this is going to work. No, it's not. Go for that one there. Let's just go in here. Let's just delete that one. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Yes, and there's my 600 meters squared in there. So a few little things to needed to be sorted out there, but yeah, and I'll just delete this one here. Delete. So yeah, just you have to do that for each one. Sort of type in A to F, A2, and it'll, yeah, A to F, enter, select the objects, that might be there, polyline, okay, and then finish the selection, and just key in, you know, where you want the label to go, and it writes it in. You may have to use the other program to set up a different label and things like that. So yeah, very useful little Lisp program there, LISP by leemac.com. Awesome piece of gear, and just showing you how to use it. That's the first my first use of a Lisp routine, and so I'll be on the lookout for more ways that can make my my work and my CAD experience more efficient. So thanks go out to Lee Mac for doing such a awesome job, and cheers, see you.